What is going on, everybody? This is Drew with What's for Dinner, and I got something very simple today for you guys. We're going to do some mustard burgers. Hey everyone, I just want to let you know that I will be cooking this on my Blackstone grill. This is going to be glorious. Glorious!
Back in the streets again.
I am burning up right now.
Back in the streets again.
Very simple ingredients here. Just got some hamburger pickles. Also, this is just your American cheese, and this is different than it's not out of package. But you can find it at any Ralph's or Kroger. And then also just some white onion. These might actually be yellow onion. Iceberg lettuce. So simple, so cheap. These are Sara Lee artisan rolls. These are from, you guessed it, what do you think? These are from the food pantry. Yeah, it can be had. And then this is 80/20 ground chuck from your Kroger. You can get it at Ralph's. We'll get into that. We'll form the patty. And then I'm just going to be doing it on a Lodge cast iron skillet. And you can use any cast iron skillet that you want. So all I have right here is my Plouchman's. And I'm not going to put any seasoning on until the other side. This is going to be the one that goes down first. The neon yellow. Of course, just some bullshit avocado oil going down on my cast iron skillet. I'm going to let that heat up for at least 5 minutes. Right before the smoke point, you know. It is a late night, and I'm hungry. Cast iron enthusiast. This is a Lodge cast iron, by the way. They'll kill you if you use a paper towel, because all these fibers will go into the skillet itself. Well, it's being practical here. Okay. Handle's hot. We're literally just going to take this. Oh yeah. That's going to give us our sear. One thing I forgot to mention. Now, I like to give it a nice, right in the middle. I'll do that on the other side too when I flip it. Okay. Got a little bit of the juices. I want to see a little bit of the blood coming up. Thing is, you may see some mustard. Yep. There you go. There's your mustard. Gonna let it go for a couple minutes on this side. And I'll flip it back over. And we'll add the cheese. Well, maybe not. You'll see. And then, funny, I got my hamburger cooking over here, which of course I forgot to turn off the goddamn fan. And then on the Blackstone, I've got my buns cooking on the Blackstone over there. I'm trying not to disturb it at all. I want that crust. Once that blood starts coming out. Blackstone on toast. The toast setting there. Yeah, you won't find that on all Blackstones, just special ones. For a couple minutes, we'll give it another flip. We'll be back in. This is where I'm going to flip it. You see all the blood coming out. Should have gave it that a little bit ago. There's the mustard side. What I did with the cheese too, ripped it into fours, fold it. You know, you could hit it with a little bit of water. Oh, fuck it, let's do it. There you go, dome top. It's almost steaming, it's almost to that point. That bun is too well done to my liking. Let's go ahead and build it though. Well, that's cooking. Get this lettuce put on there. I got a lot of shit about not putting lettuce on the bottom of a bun. If you make it homemade, because, you know, that's a lot different than making it in a restaurant. Burger is definitely done. But unlike most other channels, you'll see them put it right on the burger. I'm not going to. I want it to sit there. I want it to rest. I want it to get all the juices coming back too, just like a steak. Okay, so I'm putting the burger right on there. But what I'm going to do is I want the cheese side down. Reason being, I would like the brine and everything from the pickles to go into the other side of the meat. Put the white onions on there. Oh, Jesus. I want all the white onions to go in there. Everything that I've cut up. Look at that. More yellow mustard. Because you got to. You can use Dijon or anything. Hell, you could use Dijon to put on the burger itself too. Before you put it on the skillet. But there it is. That is a great burger. Yeah. Bun's a little overdone. Ah. Bun's a little overdone. Who cares? Whoa, Mr. Creepy Face Cam guy.